Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this series, we'll be exploring more about Microsoft Word. So we'll creating a series about Microsoft Word, and it is composed of different episodes. And today we're starting with the basics. And for our episode one, let's getting started with Microsoft Word. So let's get right into it. So to begin, let's open Microsoft Word. So it depends on your device. You can bind the Word application in different ways. So let's say, for example, if you're using a Windows computer, you can typically find it in the Start menu or by searching in the taskbar. Microsoft Word. Here, this is my Microsoft Word 2016. Or if you are using Mac, look for it in the application folders or the Launchpad. Now, once you've opened Microsoft Word, you'll be greeted with the Word interface. So let's take a quick tour. So this is a quick tour. You can open it. This one. So let's open this one. As you can see, this is a welcome tour to Microsoft Word. So it will be teaching you different interface of Microsoft Word. Okay, and if you already knew this, we can skip this already. Okay, so let's open a blank document. At the top of this blank document, you'll see the ribbon, which contains home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, and view. This tab house different commands and options related to formatting, inserting objects, and customizing your document. Now, below the ribbon, you'll find the toolbar, which provide quick access to commonly used commands. So let's say, for example, this one, the file. It will give you the commands such as save as, print, and you can customize this toolbar to include the commands you most commonly use. In the center is the document. This is where you create and edit your documents. By the way, you can start typing right away. Let's say, for example, welcome. And you can open an existing document by clicking on open or using the keyboard shortcut Control O. So let's say, for example, this is already your document. Now let's create a document. So in order to create a document, just simply go to File, and then at the top left corner of the screen, click on New. So click this New, and then you can click the blank document. You can also use Control N to create new document. Now once you've created your document, it's essential to save it. Click on the save button here in the file, this one, save button, or use the keyboard shortcut Control plus S. So let's say we are going to save it. Remember, you are going to browse where are you going to save your document, and don't forget to provide a meaningful name on your document. So click browse, and then let's say we're going to save it in desktop, and then let's say some episode 1 Microsoft. This will be the title of our document, and then click save. So your document is already saved now, and you can explore more. So for today, we talk about how to create a new document, and we explore some toolbar here. and we also talk about how to save a document. So on our next episode, we'll be talking more about Microsoft Word. So don't forget to follow this series. Especially on episode 2, we will be talking about formatting the text and the paragraphs. So that's it for today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our channel.